Good afternoon from Grand Family Farm. Today is Wednesday and it is rainy. It's been raining most of the morning, just a light rain. It's a little cold out here. I'm not looking forward to mud. I'll walk down there and feed those animals in a minute. Well, they're saying they're hungry. Harold doesn't know I'm here yet because I didn't come up with the golf cart. So I'll start here and it'll fit now since I hear talking. He hears me. Oh, look at that. Be nice pig. Yeah. I hear Petunia biting at the gate. Alright, so get the mice. Harold, I hear you. Why you talk so much? Yeah? Right there. All waiting patiently. The chickens are fed. Got 11 eggs today. I wish the coop wasn't as muddy. Of course, they boxes to lay in, but they want to lay in the mud. Pigs have their alfalfa and their grain. Of course, Petunia's over here with only one piglet again. Yeah, happy family out here eating. We'd all be happier if the sun would come out. Give them Sally. Well, the ground is wet, but it's not sopping wet like normal. So I think I could have drove the cart down here without attracting mud. But anyway, good exercise. Gotta go back and get warm. Well, the girls are enjoying their alfalfa. Well, since the rain stopped in to my friends at Hidden Treasures thrift store. Always got some good deals going on in there. Brought the puppies along too. She'll be back there somewhere. Well, got some apples donated. So I'm gonna take them down and give them to the pigs. They like the apples. Okay, we got an apple. There, Penelope, you want an apple? Here's a Papa Pig. Yeah, chop some up for the little ones. They like them. Okay, I'm gonna give Papa Pig. Here. And Penelope. Oop, I dropped it in the water. It's in the water. I'm sorry. I dropped it. You got a bob for apples. It's down there. I'll get you another one. Okay, Penelope, I got another one. Come on. So I won't fall in the water this time. There you go. There you go. Okay. Go give some to the pigs inside. Okay, I'm gonna chop these ones up. So maybe they'll share them better. There you go. These guys over here waiting. There you go. Get it. Yeah, Petunia, want a big one? Yeah, for the whole apple. Harold, Harold, Harold. There you go. They love those apples. Okay, have one more. And I'm gonna give Penelope. Come on, Penelope. Come on. Come on, Penelope. Here. There you go. Well, they're they like the apple so much they're trying to take it away from each other. Here comes Charlie. You hear that thing from a mile away. Well, it's I don't know, about 15 after 4 or so, and this is like living in Seattle. This weather is all day long. Reminded me of when I lived on the west side. Couldn't stand it. 9 years of it. Moved over here. Well, today is like Seattle weather. Well, thank you very much for watching. Have a warm, sunny day.